What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it's been a minute, but we ain't gonna get into that. We usually get right into the video. Okay, so today we're about to try out this Moisture Miracle African Pride Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. Okay, I never do any type of pre-shampoo. I don't know, it's just something that I've never done, but I always hear a lot of people like recommending it and saying how they do theirs, and like I've been interested, but I just never really went out and purchased it. So today I was just in the beauty supply store browsing, and I was like, today might be a good day to try out a pre-shampoo. Okay, so it says it helps minimize breakage for natural coils and curls. Okay, so I just list out the first few ingredients. So the first ingredient, water, love that, aloe leaf extract, glycerin, water hydroxy, something I don't know how to pronounce, coconut fruit juice, and then a few more things. And again, on the container it says this moisturizing anti-tangling blend uses the natural benefits of aloe vera and coconut water to condition, protect, and remove tangles from natural coils and curls, leaving hair soft and easy to manage during cleansing and styling. So it says aloe vera nourish, conditions, protects against breakage, and then the coconut water helps strengthen hair and restore moisture. So directions: before cleansing, apply a generous amount to dry hair and distribute evenly. Use fingers or comb to detangle, rinse thoroughly. For especially dry or tangled hair, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Follow it with the Moisture Miracle Nourish and Shine shampoo. Now, I do not have the shampoo or the conditioner. However, I did get a leave-in conditioner and the gel to cream styling gel to cream that I'm going to also probably try out after my wash day. So you have to stay tuned for that video. But for now, I'm just going to give you guys my review on the pre-shampoo. So opening it up. Okay, doesn't smell bad. It's definitely like a gel type of consistency, like a water-based gel consistency. So you can see, not super thick, but it's also not like runny either. It really feels like a gel to me, so I'm interested to see how this is gonna feel. Okay, so like I said, I've had this ponytail. Look, y'all can see there's a cast. Okay, I put more gel on top of the gel that was already on the gel to keep it slick for the next week. It's had a lot of gel, and it's very much, my hair, it don't move. Okay, that's what it's giving. So I really don't even want to like break this up, because it's already like I can feel the tension, because it's like, y'all, man, I need to not do this again. But the ponytail was really just doing what it was supposed to have done. It was really giving what it was supposed to have gave, and I was like loving it. But I'm not quite too much loving this process now, trying to take it out. So I guess I'm just gonna start off, and I don't know, start up here. I don't even know where to start at, y'all. My hair ain't had what it needed in some time. I feel like I should get some water to help with this. Ooh, kind of hurt. Okay, it does say apply to dry hair, but like, is my hair too dry? So we're just gonna start at the ends and try to work our way up. It's definitely making my hair super soft. This hurts up here. I don't know. I feel like this would be more effective if my hair wasn't so, like, didn't have so much gel on it. So a little is very much going a long way. I don't know if you guys could tell like when I was first doing it, but like the more I use it, I'm feeling the vibes, okay? It's giving what it was supposed to have gave. And while I've been using this, I've definitely been thinking to myself like, would it be wrong of me to use this as a styling product? And I know this is supposed to be a rinse out type of product, but would it hurt for me to leave it in? But you know, I can't even lie to y'all, there might be a day that comes that I might use this pre-shampoo as a styling product. Okay, so it took me about 15-20 minutes to do my whole head, and after I did each little like section, I just twisted it up. And yeah, it took about 15-20 minutes, and a little, like I said, a little went a long way. Like this still is pretty much full. Aren't you guys? It's been about 20 minutes, give or take. So, very first one. So, again, my hair is still feeling very sticky, but I think that probably also has something to do with the fact that I had so much gel in my hair. But it's very soft, and at least it's, you know, detangled. So, I definitely think this is gonna make my process when I wash my hair a lot easier than it would be if I was just starting with that, I don't even know what to call it. What is the word I'm looking for? The shell, maybe the shell. Yeah, if I haven't not starting off with that hard shell in my hair, like from the gel. This is what the hair is looking like. I'll come back to let you guys know how my process was washing it. Alright you guys, so I'm completely done with my hair process. I did use the pre-shampoo, so first of all, when I rinsed it out, my hair definitely felt really good. Even after I rinsed it out, I pretty much let my hair like be saturated with water for at least like 10 minutes before I actually did my shampoo process. And I feel like the shampoo process was like so much quicker. Shampoo, condition, like every wash day was a little bit quicker using that pre-shampoo. It definitely like started me off with detangling, got some good slip in there, made it easier to just go through my hair and go through the process. So I'm definitely going to continue to use the pre-shampoo. I might, you know, try to use it one day to style. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that, but you know, the person in me who wants to do things because they want to do things is wanting to do that. So in addition to the pre-shampoo, I also use the leave-in conditioner, and then I use the gel and cream like styling product. And this is my final result. This is the next morning after wash day, dry and everything. So if you guys want to see more of a review about how I use the leave-in conditioner and the gel and cream styling product, you guys can watch that in my next video. But overall, for the pre-shampoo, I'm gonna give it, I want to say at least, you know, a 9 out of 10. I try not to give 10 out of 10 unless I don't know, I feel like I need a few more uses to really say like for sure that's a 10 out of 10, because you know, first impressions, they're important, but sometimes you got to give things like 2 or 3 more tries before you can really get a good idea of the product, you know. So that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.